everybody. So, on this episode of Mermaid Manor, we are all about my bestie, Courtney Dickens. And she has become, like, in the running of Elton John's style icon.
I'm in the top 15, so please vote your booty off for me.
Check it. And so there's a lot of fabulous, talented people, but nobody's as talented as my bestie. Look at those sunglasses. Woo woo. So, tonight, I'm going to show you, I'm here to help her art direct.
I need to do a red carpet look.
She needs to do a red carpet look, and then she needs to submit it, and compete with the rest of the contestants.
The only thing I can think of is Tool.
Me too. The lighting is a great place to start. So, obviously, I came around the corner and she was wearing this. Fabulous. Anyways, this is a shirt she designed. Her line is called 𝘊𝘴𝘮𝘳𝘺. Got to check it out right here. I'll put it on the screen. She has also designed a whole bunch of stuff for Mermaid Manor, and she works for a variety of other companies, but nothing is as cool as her very gaga stage-worthy designs of 𝘊𝘴𝘮𝘳𝘺. So, check this out on this episode. Go to Facebook and vote for her, and stay tuned on Style Icon. It's Courtney Dickens, yo. Holler. I'm not shaming her. She thinks I'm shaming her, but let's just look at this. Don't worry, it's not real, but I don't know if an animal or a bird is going to fly out of that thing, but let's just look at that thing. I don't know if she got it at CVS. It's not, I mean, it's not.
You try to do 6 hairstyles in 6 minutes, girl.
Let's just say she's better at clothes. So, it's been a global competition, and Miss Courtney Dickens is in the top 15. Number 1 on my list. Okay, so this is what we're doing tonight. Check it.
Hey trendsetters, let's take things to Hollywood for this week's challenge. The Elton John AIDS Foundation hosts one of the most iconic Academy Awards viewing parties in Los Angeles every year. The kind of event where fashion, celebrity, and purpose collide. So here's the challenge. What would you wear if you were on that guest list? Here's how to enter. 1. Put together your dream look. Go full red carpet fantasy, cocktail chic, or your own bold interpretation of evening wear. 2. Capture with photos or a short video. Bonus points for showing the styling process or a dramatic reveal moment. 3. Post it on Instagram with the hashtag #StyleIconRedCarpet and tag us so we can see your look. This is your chance to show not only your personal style, but also your imagination. After all, an outfit isn't just fabric, it's a statement.
Oh, snap. We've got imagination here.
I'm going to have to put myself on my own Instagram.
Oh.
Is that crazy?
Billy, so demure. Let's get styling.
Oh my God, bye.
So just a glimpse of how fun Courtney's house is. Like, seriously. Lifestyle of a designer.
Is it these?
Yep. You go Ziggy Stardust. And then there's like wigs everywhere. It's enough to scare a guy away.
She's in a bad state right now. But...
So this is the look inspired by Courtney in her honor, which is pink. Okay. And that's her motto. 𝘊𝘴𝘮𝘳𝘺𝘺.
Stay pink.
This is why, you know, it's so much fun to have a best friend that's a fashion designer, because you can go anywhere. There's anything from Gucci to like a $2 puff. Okay. and there's just anything everywhere.
I shop at Gucci and the dollar store.
Hair. Yeah. She shops at Gucci and the dollar store. And then like all of that over there is like belts. Looks. Like, it's so much fun. So she could literally clothe easily 1,000 people. She's ready, y'all. Let's get styling. I'm gonna follow you. Now, this is her 𝘊𝘴𝘮𝘺𝘺 room of all of her designs. Courtney is super, super talented, and she has been designing clothes.
Yeah, this is my design section. And then this is just an overflow of outerwear. Don't look at that.
How she gets it all in here, we don't really know.
About
Hats, like, she's really utilizing the space. Like Marie
Why don't you get
Koto.
my accessory wall?
Yeah, there's more. And, you know, every color that's ever existed is in the space.
It's like that Britney Spears thing where she's like, is it an addiction? I don't think it's an addiction necessarily.
I think it's an addiction, but
probably an addiction.
I dig it. So now, Courtney has an amazing idea where she's going to do like a countdown of 5 outfits leading to the ultimate red carpet look. And I'm just here to facilitate the creative madness.
4 which are failing.
Yeah, 4 are going to be like, no, 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 no. I won't show you the whole thing because you're going to have to follow her on Instagram and Facebook and follow Style Icon.
Hopefully the 5th will be the win. I mean, I don't know.
The 5th will be the win. Actually, they're all going to be a win because she's probably going to wear... She rarely wears the same thing twice because there's a lot of options, as you can see.
You got a nickel bomb? I've got 20.
Her parents don't know what's going on in here. It's both amazing and terrifying to them.
I think my house is the center of my mother's anxiety.
Right. She goes to therapy because of this. And we don't need to go to therapy because of this. Okay. So that's, you know what I mean, the irony of, you know, and the classic struggle of the parent and the artist.
You know what's ironic too? Every day,
Everything.
I have like nothing to wear.
That's what kills me. I'll be like, hey, are you ready? We have 10 minutes. She's like, I have nothing to wear. She has 20,000 pieces of clothes in here, and that's just one space. She also has another closet at her parents' house, and they still wake up screaming.
That's vintage, though.
That is vintage, and we'll get to that on another day. As a consolation prize, I get 5 things over here, and I get 7 things over
Get
here.
your paws off my outerwear. Wait, what you need to focus on is look up here. We have metallic rhinestone boot.
Yes, we do. We have feather, rhinestone, sequin, shimmy, shake, diddy. Next look. Now, Courtney's getting her pink sequin pants, so let's just go through some of her iconic looks, okay? This Power Space Time, okay, is a jacket that shimmies and shakes, okay? And you just need to, there are no words to explain. And I've modeled a lot of her clothes, which is so fun, but she's really known for all of these like ribbons that shimmy and shake. And I'll pull some out at the end, but let me tell you, it's tight in here, okay? But like, look at this corset. These are corsets with bows. Like, can you even really deal with how wonderful and creative and magical this is? Or what? And this is also a corset. I'll show you guys. I wore this for a photo shoot. So cute with like a pink phone like this, holler. Oh my God, so good. But like, how great. Like, look at that hat. Absolutely fabulous. Look at those shoes. Wondrous. Tell me that's not one of the most amazing stuff. She's a bull in a china shop. We can't wear white. You notice not a lot of white. And we can't have nice things.
Listen, she's fun. There's no grace.
We get nice things, but they break. Here we go. Take 2. Okay. Ready? And no. When I say go, okay. She's also overzealous. Okay, hold on. Ready? Go. That's the
one. Do you see my feet positioning? Do you see that? That's called choreography.
So we're also doing stills of her, like 1, 2, 3 as she counts down.
Camera, right? Yeah.
This is all on your camera.
Okay.
This is for my YouTube. Hey. Okay. We're cross promoting people.
I feel like I'm better at a selfie though. Okay, I'm sweating balls.
Cute.
Looks. Okay, 3. I need.
Moving on to the next look. This is her logo fashion, yo.
Shown anybody yet?
And this is actually what I want to buy, which she keeps on hiding from me.
I'm not ready.
But one day it will be mine.
Not ready to part with it yet.
And this is a very, very cool tulle robe.
Kelly, you wore this when you were the bride.
I wore this as a bride at a fashion show, which I'll show you a clip of here. And it was really quite fabulous and wonderful.
Amazing.
It was amazing, but I think that this is so cool. So this is silk, and then this is ribbon on the outside. And this is another example of her fabulous. Lots of ribbons, lots of bows, lots of unique trims. She uses recycled materials. Like, she'll get this at a thrift shop, and then she'll add all of this. And that is what the magic of fashion yell is. And this is what you need to portray. This is what you need to portray to Sir Elton John. Thank you.
Oh, that's my umbrella I've been looking for.
Those are the umbrellas that we got at Reggae on the Mountain when we watched Steel Pulse and all the other cool reggae bands, okay? But that's a different type of thing. Show the back of that jacket.
I love this jacket.
Oh, when you think it can't get any better, it does. You're like this. Oh my God, this is amazing. And then you're like, oh, well, isn't that amazing?
I
Then
didn't
you
even thrift this one.
put your thing
I
down,
cut
flip it,
sewed
and
this
reverse
whole
it.
thing.
Oh, you did cut and sew this whole thing? Amazing. Okay, and this is what I want. So
And this gorgeous
this
piece.
is going to be your fourth look because every look.
I used the last of my ribbon for this, ribbon. How Fashion Yell actually got started was I met a trim vendor who had all of these recycled ribbons, and he was trying to get rid of them, and he didn't know what to do, and he didn't want to throw them away. So I was like, I'll take them, and I will turn them into something fabulous.
So creative, so cool. You can't even deal. Just go to
ribbons on
Fashion Yell.
everything.
At Fashion Yell is her Instagram, okay? And you'll see we're prancing all over town in this stuff. But this will be mine. Oh, yes.
Mine first.
It will be mine. So every look has to be better than the next. Do you know what I mean? So,
I have satin pants with this.
yep. So
This is the top hat.
This is going to be look number 4. No, your final look. This could
doesn't
also
go-
be the red carpet.
This doesn't go with the top hat.
This could also be the red carpet. This is very powerful. It's chic.
What if
it-
I wore the tulle dress under this and then belted this and had this fan
You
out?
can't have the tulle dress under this.
Yes, I
this
can.
is supposed to lay. Silk is supposed to lay. It's supposed to be
I
sexy.
can have it under.
It's going to be too bulky. And you're not going to like that.
Don't understyle me.
Don't overstyle the sitch. You're the one that wanted to wear black to the Emmys. Oh, florals for spring. Groundbreaking.
Trying to be a little demure.
That's not what got you into the top 15 of Elton John's style competition, and that's not how Elton John became Elton John. Can I get a shout out?
Elton John's not demure.
Thank you. But
respect.
yeah, that's right. And he's fabulous, and that's why he inspires us in your entire sunglass collection.
Oh my god, he would die for my sunglasses.
Example.
I would die for his.
Example. I mean, this is nothing. She
I
has
wore-
like
I wore
50
those to
of
work
these.
today.
She wore these to work
Yeah.
professionally.
Yeah.
And it went over well.
Nobody takes me seriously.
So we need to style the 2 final looks. And you don't think that's fabulous to be the final look at the Emmys?
I think it's fabulous. I don't think it's fabulous enough.
That's wild, bro. Let's style and figure it out.
Like, I don't know if I'd wear this to a red carpet.
Depends on what you put it with, because think about it moving on the red carpet. These red
Then
carpets are
everything
getting
under it has to be flowy too, and I don't.
That isn't true. You could wear a cat suit under that thing.
I have a cat suit. I'm not saying I should wear it.
But do you understand what I'm saying? Like, you could wear thigh-high boots with that and be the baddest person on the red carpet.
I have those.
I know you do. She has boots in every shape, size, color, height.
Are you recording right now?
Yep.
Jesus.
Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen. How hard is this look coming in? We have bows, we have silk, we have a vintage belt,
Ribbons, rhinestone, boots.
sequin rhinestone pants, we have bows. She might or might not be wearing a hair topper. You didn't hear it from me.
Bitch.
But this is so cool. This is one of my favorite looks I've ever seen you in. And now, as the audience can see, that's why the wardrobe, that's why that kimono should be mine. Oh yes, it will be mine.
Who's out there wearing these shoes in real life?
Okay, this is coming in really hard. Okay, now go back over there. This is so fabulous.
You know what? I need a cute little stool in here, like a fashion stool, like that can be photographed, like something pink and furry.
Yeah, obviously. Farrah, Madonna. No! Stay. No, don't touch your hair. I need to see the bows. This is by a landslide, my favorite look.
I ran out of phone storage.
We ran out of clothing storage, shoe storage. She has a hairpiece on. We ran out of room for that.
So hot.
But look how cool this look is. Show the shoe. Yes. This to me is the best look. We're gonna do one more, and you'll just have to stay tuned and see what she picks for her red carpet look.
All right, turn her off.
So this entire time I've been trying to figure out how we can incorporate these puffy magical things into some of the look. And I think we're gonna put it in a top hat for the final look. And it's gonna be very serious. So these little puff spectaculars are gonna go into that top hat, which is what I've been dreaming about this whole time. This is a dream. Get a dark one and a light one.
Oh, you want a double?
Yep,
That's thick.
yep,
She's
yep,
thick.
yep.
All right, they're all thick.
How can you suspend it in there?
There's a ribbon. You can just tuck it right in.
Fabulous. Yes! It has to go the other way.
Does it though?
No. Let me see your Fashion Yell shirt. This is also Courtney's brand. That's her thing. Stay pink. Turn around, turn around. It's also all about a disco ball, because when is it not about a disco ball? Fabulous. I think you should have a dark one and a light one up there.
This hat's not gonna fit too.
Uh-oh. I want to put one in my hat. So now it's getting real. The final countdown. Now to the Elton John cape, which I love.
Start over.
We're doing dual people.
I actually made this to wear for Elton John to the Elton John concert, and then he changed his location to Las Vegas in the summer, and I was too hot to wear it. But one day I want to give this to him. Is this the red carpet look?
Yes.
Okay.
It's getting real, folks. I'm going to film this in slow-mo.
Is it something?
Oh!
Can't run them off.
Ugh. There's just too much going on. So, it's the final look, and it's getting real. The amount of stuff
Out of control
that has accumulated in this journey.
I'm gonna have to hire a team of people to clean up after today.
Yeah, it's a crew.
Oh my
Yo.
god, it's at least 4.
Okay, so now we're getting to the final look. Fabulous. Let's take this up a little bit more. Elton John inspired.
Also, this
top
is one of
hat.
my favorite outfits I've worn. So
Oh, we've got a slipper.
start up and then she'll digress.
Right. Okay. So we're gonna shoot on the cell phone for her and for you guys. Okay. So this look is really coming in hard, and it's very, very difficult to decide what the red carpet look's gonna be. But maybe Elton John will decide that. Okay. Wait. Now this is falling down.
Yeah, I'm really losing my energy.
These are two. You keep it up for the final look. The final countdown. We were talking about how this is like sports for us. Okay?
This is our World Series.
That's right. Okay. The final look. Okay. Good. Maybe it's better, the first one, but
I
it's
think
fun.
the first one's better.
You did it. Good job. You're done. And we done. Okay. So let's just do a little wrap up. Okay, if you want to, we're gonna go around this apartment. It is like a bomb went off, like a fashion bomb went off. You would think that like 18 people were in here getting ready, but it was just us. So hopefully Miss Courtney Dickens takes it all the way to the top. I'm so proud of her for making it into the final 15. And shop Fashion Yell, shop Mermaid Manor.
Yes.
Stay fabulous and
Stay pink.
that's right.